Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining the Career Day, and hopefully you will find your dream job with one of the companies who are attending. So I would like to spend a few minutes talking about Redhill Games, what we do and what potential roles we have, and maybe one of you is our future colleague. So what is Redhill Games? We're a game development studio with two offices, one in Helsinki in Finland, and we also have a south office in Nicosia in Cyprus, where it's much warmer. We founded the company with Matias, Milos, Miko, and myself 2 years ago. And that means that we are a very young company, but we are very ambitious. Right now, we have 55 employees and we have 15 open positions, so we are growing. In terms of the company structure, we have all the standard positions and departments available. We have game production, which is one of the most important ones, where we have design, arts, quality assurance, business and business intelligence. We have technical group, which is programming, technical art, which includes animation and VFX. And also we have operations, which is everything else. No coding, no arts, no design, but everything else which is needed in order to make the game happen. And our mission in general is to play games and to make games. So we are true game developers. So you probably are interested, what are we working on? Because you may not have heard of a title developed by Redhill Games yet. So it is first-person shooter 9 to 5, and we are still working on it, so it's not yet released. We started 2 years ago, and by now we already completed alpha testing, and every now and then we announce different closed tests. So if you're interested to see and experience it firsthand, go ahead and sign up for the future tests and you will get invited. So before joining the company, you will know what the game is, which potentially you will be working on. So in terms of the new colleagues, what we are looking for. So definitely we want to have all the passionate professionals who know what they're doing in their own craft. So is it design, art, coding, or administration? For us, every single person is a game developer. So we are not dividing people into publishing or development or administration and support. Everybody has the same goal, and we make sure that everybody contributes. We want to have good friends because we are spending a lot of time together, especially now when we are all online, and we need to make sure that that's a quality time for everyone. We want to have people who care about their profession, about their colleagues, about the projects, and also those who want to grow themselves and want to help studio to grow. And if you want to see details, you can visit our career section at the website and see for yourself. In terms of the recruitment process, very quickly, so unless you find time today to speak to me or any of my colleagues who is available, then you apply via our website, you send us your CV, portfolio, projects, and please add few words why you would be interested to join. Then your application is reviewed within a week and you receive a feedback. If unfortunately your profile or your skills are not what we are looking for, we'll tell you that. If yes, then you will get invited to a Zoom call. And considering current situation, there will be several Zoom calls. Most of the positions will require a test. We will ask you to do something, either write a little coding sample or create a piece of art, again, according to the requirements. And afterwards, there will be more calls with the hiring manager and with a few colleagues. In case quarantine stops and there will be no more restrictions, then definitely we will invite you to visit the office and see the team and feel the vibe. And I think I am not connected anymore. So hopefully you can still see it.
Katya, yeah. Hello, yeah, it's still going on. I mean, you can continue.
All right. Well, I was hoping I could. Can you try to move to the next slide, because I cannot. So anyway, what else I wanted to talk about quickly is the internships. Usually before all this pandemic, we did have internship programs during the year, and they would include usually QA, art, programming, and some business intelligence as well. This year, unfortunately, we were not able to arrange any of them because like online mentorship doesn't make a lot of sense. But hopefully 2021 is back to normal, and so we will be able to meet with you and work with you in case you decided to have an internship with us. And the selection process for internship is pretty much the same. As soon as the program is available, we announce it, and then you have a couple of interviews, meetings, and a small test. And then in case you are selected, you are part of the game development process. You are working on the real actual game, and you are part of developing the game of the dream. So that's pretty much it about us. We have several people available during the day. Come and ask questions, check our website, and hope to see you soon. Like for me, timing doesn't work. The slides are not moving, so I don't know if I'm on time.
Yes, you're very much on time, and guys, we still have a couple of minutes for Katya. So if you have any questions, we may take a couple of, but also please move your questions to the stand. I think it's looking good. Everything is there, Katya. Thank you very much.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
Hold on a sec. If you have any questions, you're free to ask the questions, so we can take a couple of questions still.
It would probably be easier one-on-one or remote, kind of online. So that's fine.
All right, then, hey, thank you very much, Katya. I mean, the presentation.
My pleasure.
So it's there and it's recorded. Thank you very much.
Good. Thank you.